This is the new DC range application pack. Whether your customer is new to cutter creases or already owns one and believes they've seen it all, this pack helps them discover new opportunities. The first sample is the belly band itself. It's laminated on both sides and then cut and creased on a DC 618. Even on lightweight laminated stock, you get a clean crease, accurate cut, and a durable finish. Before the box is even opened, you are already showing capability. On top, you'll find the DC range brochure. This sets the scene, models, options, and workflow integration. But the real story begins underneath. Here, we focus purely on cutting. Start with something familiar, the business card. Heavy stock, double-sided laminated, and also features spot UV texture. This is where you talk about surface protection. Because the DC uses a scissor-style cutting process, it avoids the marking and edge damage you often see with guillotines, especially on textured or laminated work. Next, we move on to the postcard. Finished on 300 GSM board and 8 up on the sheet. All trim and gutters are removed automatically, so only finished pieces are stacked. This is a good moment to talk about efficiency and reduced handling. Then introduce the retail shelf ticket. This is an example of flexibility. It has a very short cut length, the kind of job that might normally be rejected or reprinted. Instead, it's finished accurately and profitably. This first layer proves precision and adaptability. This layer demonstrates creasing. This is where the conversation shifts to fold quality. Start with the A6 greeting card. It's cut and creased in a single pass. Instead of multiple disconnected processes, everything is completed in one controlled workflow. The male and female matrix prevents fiber cracking, even on coated stock. Next, show the smaller tent card. This is a size that's difficult to manage conventionally. Here, cutting and creasing happen together, with a CCD camera reading registration marks and automatically adjusting position. This is where you reinforce consistency and accuracy. Then introduce the trifold panoramic piece. Printed on a larger sheet for efficiency, then cut, creased and folded down to postcard size. This helps customers start thinking about higher value, more creative products. In this next layer, we start to show what really stretches the imagination. First with a mini photo book. This uses both positive and negative creasing to create multiple controlled folds. Then the perfect bound book cover. Laminated and then spot UV, embellished using the DDC 8000. Trimmed and creased using 2 passes and even compensating for laminate movement and shrinkage. This is where you connect finishing quality to premium output and higher margins. Even the tray itself is a DC application. Underneath, you introduce perforation. Start with a ticket with tear-off stub, showing off the clean micro-perforation, then the short-run direct mail piece. Here you can point out both cross and rotary perforation, with strike control managing exactly where perforation starts and stops. It's then folded in line using the DCF 100 folder, producing a finished mailer ready for posting. And finally, the gallery brochure. This application brings everything together: cutting, creasing, cross perforation, and strike perforation. What would traditionally be complex, time-consuming, and costly becomes a flexible, sellable application. When you use this pack, you're leading with possibilities. Each layer is a conversation starter. Each sample helps the customer visualize new opportunities. Your role is simply to guide them through the box and let the applications do the talking.